Hey, what's up guys? It's my YouTube channel which channel name is Techniques channel. In this channel I upload my videos in the different topics of the techniques and I provided you the knowledge of techniques. So today our video is going to be interesting and most important thing that I will tell you in this video. So see this video without watching and without skipping this video. After talking about this video topic, in previous video there is one of the problem in the most common problem that we should have to remove the pen drive by the file explorer. That is the main problem to make a bootable pen drive. So today I found the solution of that topic. So if you haven't seen that previous video, I give you the link in description and also in the top right button with notification. You can see that, and first of all you should have to click on right short bar button in bottom left side button. So here you should have to click type CMD, and here you should have to run as you should have to click right button and select run as administrator, and here you can see it is in administrator and it is in C.upper.32, and here you should have to command like this part, and also it means that our administrator is running as administrator. C.upper.down stum 32 means that it is in administrator, so it is executed in this part. So here you should have to command list disk, and here we go, and here you can see I have two disks and I have 32 GB pen drive. So I am selecting disk 1, which is my USB drive flash drive pen drive. So here you can see my USB drive. So I have 32 GB USB drive, you can see it, and I have 32 GB drive, and here you can see the 29.2 GB free of 29.2 GB. That means here also you can see 29 GB, here also you can see 29.2 GB free of 29.2 GB. So here you can click here, and here you should select the command like this disk 1, and here you should have to clean it, which clean your partition, and here you can see there is no volume partition or size amount of your partition. So create a partition primary. So enter it right now. So it is created, and here you should have to select partition primary. First of all, before selecting the partition primary, you should have to command list primary list partition. So you can see the partition. Here our partition is selected, and if you haven't selected the partition, you can select from this command. So here you should have to command partition, okay, and here you go, and here you should have to format it. After selecting partition 1, and format is called FS, make sure that you should have to give a is called, if you give a minus that will get a error. if any type of symbol is there, you will get a error of your message, and you should have to command like this. And here we go, and it takes us 10 to 20 seconds. So here we go. Here it is 100% completed, and here we should have to active it and exit. And here you can see the partition is created, and it's my video, and it is so pretty to make a pen drive as a bootable pen drive, and that solution is done.